you. I be telling you when I be messing up. I don't be keeping my secrets from you. That's what
Hey, smile if you be fucking them snacks.
I told you when I be messing up.
All right, get number 20. Set 2. Yeah. Breathe out on your way up.
That's what I told you. I wouldn't tell you no more of my secrets.
I know you ain't telling me no more, but I already.
Because I ain't did nothing.
You already told me you like them chips, you know?
And I haven't had none.
Okay.
As much as I've been wanting to.
You've been standing strong, huh?
Yeah.
All right, you're 5. We need 4 of those. All right, you're 3. All right, you're 2. All right, we done with that. We're gonna get that burpee. All right, last second did good. Let's make it look nice and pretty as well. All right, your number's 10. All right. Oh yeah, you're 1. You're 1. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Come on. We up. Good job. You're 2. You're 2. Way to work. Looking good. Come on. We up. Oh yeah. 3. Yeah, you're looking good. Come on. We're going again. We up. Good. Good 4. Good. All right. Don't change a thing. Come on. Looking good. Stay with me. We up. All right. 5 down. We still need 5. 5 down. We need 5. Come on with it. We're going again. Stay with it. We up. All right. You're 6 on the right. You're 6 on the left. Keep pushing. Come on. Easy money. We up. There we go. You're right. Come on. Your left. We need 3 more. Fight for 3. I know you did. We up. You're 1. Good. You're right. Come on. All right. Your left. We gotta get 2 more of those. 2 more. All right. Here's your 9. We up. Good. Come on. All right. Give me 1 right there. All right. 1 and 1. Easy money. Last time. Last time. Come on. We up. All right. Give me 1. Come on. Give me 1. All right. Done. Way to dig in. We're set. All right. Let's go to your plank rotation. All right. Take me to 10. All right. Easy 10. Easy 10. Easy 10. You're going to start facing me. All right. All right. Easy money. Come on. Bite down. Bite down. All right. You're 1. Good. Way to work. Way to work. Keep that body off the floor. All right. You're 2. Good. That's right. Ain't nothing for you. Ain't nothing for you. All right. You're 3. Good. Yep. Looking good. Let the core work. Come on. You're 4. Good. Let them feet roll over on top of each other. Okay. Let them stack. Let them stack. 5. There you go. Now keep that body up. Good. All right. You're 6. Good. Way to work. 4 to go. 4 to go. You're 7. Good. Come on. Almost there. 3 more. 3 more. You're 8. Good. Come on. Don't lose it. All right. We got to get 2 more. Come on. You're 9. Good. All right. You're going to give me 1 more. You got to go over. All right. Bring me back for the last time. All right. We'll take 1 minute. For a sec. Way to work. You look great. Going with open, close, jump squat. All right. When you jump, the ball goes over your head. All right. So you're going to squat. When you jump, the ball goes over your head. Hold the ball under your chin when you're not jumping. So you'll start with it under your chin. Your feet will come slightly wider than shoulder width. You'll do your squat. When you hop, we'll push the ball over your head. The number's 20. 1, good. Yep, 2, good. That's it. Breathe out, breathe, good. You're 4, take me to 20. 5, good. 6, left. 7, good. 8, good. 9, good. 10, give me 10. 1, 11. 2, perfect form. Breathe out, 3. Way to work it. 4, good. 5, give me 5. 1, stay with me. Come on. 2, way to work it. 3, give me a double. Give me a double. Got it. Keep your ball. All right, good. We're going to keep him. I think you can handle this 10-pound ball. We're going to keep him. Catch your breath. You're going to hold that ball in front of your chest. All right, you're going to give me a reverse lunge. When you give me the reverse lunge, press the ball to the mirror. All right, we're still going to get that core involved, so when you press that ball to the mirror, you're now going to rotate across the leg that's in the front. Come back to the center, bring that ball in, bring the leg back. Your number is 1 and 1 to 8. So start with the ball in front of your chest. You'll give me a reverse lunge. When you go down to your lunge, press the ball forward to the mirror. All right, press it forward, press your arms out. Okay, I like it, but the arms got to go out. Like that. Now the purpose of the rotation, yep, you got to turn that torso and the head all as one. Bring your feet back up. All right, other side. We press forward, reverse lunge. Good. I like it. Okay, on that one, the ball went, but your chest and your head didn't go. Everything turns as one unit, okay? I know it. Everything is one. Let's go again. All right, here's your 3. Your turn. Good. Take that back knee 2 inches from the floor. Good. All right, let's make this number 4. You push. Good. There we go. That was your best one. Let's go again. All right, now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. All right, your 5. Love it. Good. Work that waist. Let's go again. Your 5. All right, we need 3 of those. You're looking good. Come on. Your 3. Work it. Good. Again, stay with me. Your 3. Work it. Yes, yes, yes. Give me 2 of those. Your 2. Looking good. Way to eat. Way to eat. Let's go again. Your 2. Good. Come on. Give me another one. Give me another one. Your 1. Good. Give me another one over here. Come on. Your 1. All right, we got it. Done. Awesome. All right, not yet. You're going to go on your back, on your mat. Put your feet towards me. You don't need your ball. All right, good. Feet towards me. Grab both of those 10s, okay? This number is going to be 15. You're going to take a 1-minute rest. Bring your 10s up in the air. Hold your arms up straight. Palms facing each other. Turn your palms in. Bring your legs straight up to the ceiling. All right, good. You're going to give me inhale. When you inhale, open your arms up to a chest fly. When you open your arms up, your legs are going to go down at the same time. All right, breathe in and breathe out. We up. You're 1. Take me to 15. Keep your elbows bent, okay? Elbows bent. Your 3. When you go to the side, don't straighten out that joint. Keep your elbows soft. All right, breathe in, breathe out. Your 5. You need 10 of those. In and out your 1. Good. In and out your 2. Come on. All right, in and out your 3. Come on. Good. In and out your 4. Come on. In and out your 5. Last 5. Let's eat. In and out your 1. Good. All right, breathe in, breathe out your 2. Come on. Way to work it. In and out your 3. Come on. We need a double. In and out your 4. Come on. All right, give me 1. Give me 1. Come on. All right, set. Take 1 minute. Way to work. Awesome job. All right, we only got 60 seconds. You're going to go right back to your ball, okay? Right back to your ball. 60 seconds. Right back to your ball. All right, right back to your ball. You're looking good.
You still recording?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna quit.
Yeah, I want to be real.
All right, so
We'll
let's be real, people. I'm about to
What?
stop.
Let me talk to him.
Freaking tired.
Hey, yes, sir.
Tired.
All right, here we go. Number 2.
Oh,
All
God.
right. How we go? Almost. Reverse. Squat down.
Huh?
Squat down. Press when you hop. Almost. There you go. Good. Come on. Good. Okay, let's take a second. I like it. Almost. Almost. Let's regroup for a minute.
That's okay.
That was good. But I want your legs open when you squat, not closed. So start with them open. And then we're going to squat. Now we go. 10, good. 9, love it. 8, come on. 7, good. 6, come on. 5, come on. 4, come with it. 3, easy money. 2, come on. Got it. Set. All right, regroup. Do your 8. All right, catch your breath. Go when you're ready. Reverse lunge. Press the ball to the mirror. Way to work. We got this. I don't know how you pulled it off, but your numbers was good. I don't know how you did that shit in front of the cleanse last night. Shit.
I did what I was supposed to do.
Okay.
That's why my results showed up. Trying to play me.
You 8, good. All right. Love it. All right. In and out, good. Your 2, good form. Way to work. Awesome job. Awesome job. Your 3, good. Don't change a thing. Come on. All right. Your 3, beautiful. Don't lose it. All right. Your 4, way to work it. You're killing it. All right. That's 4. We're going to clean up 4. You're looking good. 5, take me to 8. Good form. Make sure you draw on that stomach in before you go to the rotation. This is your 6. Core in. Good. All right. Core in. Good. We need a double. 2-piece, 2-piece. All right. Your 7. Way to work it. Let's go again. Your 7. Come on. All right. Give me 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Your 1. Come on. Give me another 1. Oh. Clean that last one up on the left leg. Left leg out. Left leg out. Come on. Reverse, 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 reverse. Good job. Way to work. All right, your number's 15 on your fly. Then we'll take a break. All right, 15, we break. 15, we break. Both legs up, hands up. We start together. Yep, easy money. All right, breathe in, take it to the side, we gone. Legs gotta come down with me, and breathe out. Come on, again. Come on, again. Come on, again. Love it. Again. Count down 10. Come on. Good job. Way to work it. Way to work it. All right, in and out with your 8. Come on. Stay with it. In and out with your 7. Give me 6. Give me 6. Come on. Last 5 we break. Come on. Easy 4 we break. All right, easy 3. Easy 3. All right, give me a double. Give me a double. All right, give me 1. Give me 1. Done. Done. Awesome. All right, good job. Hey, bro, be safe, man.
Y'all be great. See y'all tomorrow.
Absolutely. All right, right now we break, okay? Way to work. I'm fair with that. All right, let's grab the 10, come on this side. That's fair. All right, lunge. I'm sorry. Yeah, it is. Is it lunge? Is it squat, curl, and press, or lunge, curl, and press? It's squat, curl, and press. You're number 15.
You worry about my legs so tight. You got me doing all these legs.
I know it, but hey, they're looking good. All right, squat, curl, press, 15.
Squat, curl.
Yep. All right, squat down. Yep, curl, stand, curl, press. Good. Love it. All right, you want good. We take that up. Good. 2. You don't even need no rotation. You can keep your palms facing each other the whole time. You can hold them in the hammer grip. Hold them straight down. Turn them to your body. When you come down, turn your palms towards your body. Let your arms straight down. Let them down here. See where I am right now? Hold them like that. Leave them like that. Curl and press from that fashion.
So like this?
Yep, and then go up. We squat, curl, press. I'll still do my press though. Good. 10. Good. All right. We up. 9. Good. I like those. We up. 8. Good. All right. We up. 7. Good. Love it. We up. 6. Beautiful. All right. We up. 5. Good. Last 4. All right. We up. Good. Give me 3 of those. Don't change a thing. We up. All right. 2 left. 2 left. All right. We up. Good. All right. We up. 1. You're gonna lay your weights on the floor right where you are. Done. I'm gonna have you stand right here almost on an angle, okay? Right here in front of this ball. I'm gonna put my foot on the ball because I don't want the ball to move, okay? All right, 1 foot on top, 1 foot on the floor. Just give me lightly toe tap, switch them. You don't have to plant the foot. Bring your toe down to the bottom a little bit. Just put your feet on there 30 seconds. All right, timer going. Go. Yep, love it. Like that, breathe out each time. Good. Way to work, way to work, way to work, way to work. All right, we got 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Way to kill it. Love it, love it. Way to get your heart rate up. Looking good. Don't hold your breath. Killing it. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. 9 seconds. Don't change anything. You're killing it. You're killing it. All right, 5 seconds, 5 seconds. And awesome job. Beautiful. 1 exercise for core. We break. You're gonna lay on your back, on your Busu ball, and then I'm gonna hand you this ball. All right, so your feet going on the mat, your lumbar spine is going on the ball. Ready when you're ready. Last exercise, we're gonna take a break, okay? Watch your hip. All right, lumbar spine on the ball. Good. That's it. All right, and I want you to back up about 3 inches. Just a little, yes ma'am. Perfect. No more, no more. Good. All right, the ball is in your hand. You're gonna sit up, fully extend your arms, toss that ball straight up. Stay up until you catch it. All right, toss it up and catch it to yourself. 1. Don't throw it away from you. Straight up, stay up. Yep. The shoulders gotta come up, okay? All right, we up and we sit straight up. Up, stay up there and catch it. Good. 4, beautiful. 5, take it to 15. 6, awesome. 7, good. Come on. 8, beautiful. 9, come on, love it. 10, come on. 5, good, come on. 4, awesome, come on. 3, good, come on. 2, good. And 1, all right, good job, take your break. Way to work, timer running.